Yeah, if we play the weather forward, now that cell, it's saying by like 8 p.m. it's going to move all the way south. So we've got to kind of get under it, basically. Hey guys, Wayne from Sling Pilot Academy here. Really excited. We're at the airport. It's just after 6:20 in the morning, and really excited that we've got a nice big blue hole in the sky here for us to fly out of. We're all ready to go. Packed the aircraft last night, and can't wait to get on this adventure. So we'll see you soon. So the other important thing to do is to print the NOTAM. So, I mean, we've got them electronically. They're actually available on ForeFlight. So, really cool thing on ForeFlight is to go into documents, and it's under EAA. It's got the NOTAM. So I'm going to print this. I've printed our form that says we'll be in the home built section. So we'll put this in the windscreen coming in. I'll print this NOTAM now, and it's 32 pages. Then we'll know what to do and how to do it. Michelle's filming, so I'm just going to say it again so that it's got you and me talking. So yeah, so there's not. So I'm just looking at the cell right now, and it's quite far north. But as I play it forward, it comes all the way down to the lower border of Minneapolis by the time we arrive. So yeah, if we take the direct route, we're going to miss the weather a bit better.
Okay, that's good. We know we like direct.
Yeah, so it'll cost us a little bit in the way of tailwinds, but we make it up in distance saving.
Okay, excellent. What have you got a time that'll take so far?
So like 9 hours and 18 minutes.
Wow.
That's at 150 knots, but I mean, I'm being conservative. I mean, it's gonna...
That's unlike you. But yeah, no, well, okay, so I'm sure we're going to do quite a bit better ground speed than 150.
Yeah.
And so more likely, what's predicted wind at 17 and a half?
Well, I've put, yeah, I mean, I put 17 and a half there, and it's a predicted tail. So that's taking into that 9 hours and 18 minutes is taking into account a 17 knot average tailwind throughout the trip.
Wow.
So if we go,
17,
yeah, so if we go further north, we get that up to about 28 knots, 29 knots, but on average. But then, you know, we're adding 100 nautical miles, so or more.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.